Hey there, it's Mark. Let's check out some of these Matchbox that have side view mirrors. I know I opened up a black one before, but let's go ahead and take a look at the 56 Buick Century police car. Nice model. I like the black one better myself, but this one is still nicely done nonetheless. I was curious, if you don't mind, if you know, what are these things that stick out on front of the bumpers here? They stick out really far. Can you see them right here? Kind of odd. Is this supposed to be, is that how bumpers used to be? Used to push like that? I don't think so. What year would this be? This says 56, yeah. I was going to say 55, just based on a 55 Chevy. How it would have the curves in the back rather than fans like 57, like the 57 models. But if you would, let me know about those two things. I like that little blue light on top while he's taking a turn. Now notice how it has a side view mirrors. Might be a little hard to see, but it's got side view mirrors. We'll bring it up close right there. You can see the white dot right there. So you got side view mirrors. Let's take a look at another one that had side view mirrors. Haven't opened up one of these yet. We got the Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Type 34. This one has side view mirrors with metal. It says Type 34 on the license plate there. We're going to do the cars first. Ford Shelby GT500 convertible. This one had side view mirrors, but they did this one different. They used the window. They made the side view mirrors part of the window. So different presentation, but still nice to get the side view mirrors, eh? But maybe you guys know, nice blue color too. I like that one. Maybe you guys let me know. Someone look it up for me. Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet. This one here, no side view mirrors. I'm sure the real one had to have side view mirrors. Kind of interesting that it doesn't have it on this model. I'm not sure if there's any particular reason why it didn't. But as you can see, no side view mirrors. But nice. Got headlight tampos. They look pretty good. Tampos make it look like a real light. They do a good job with that. Go ahead and zoom in. You're gonna have to scoot back, Bubba. Let you see some of the details. Karmann Ghia didn't have any details at all except for the... actually it did. It's a little hard to see. But yeah, those are tampo hits on the front and tampo on the tail. And the Buick got silver trim on the sides. Nothing on the back. Nice. Now this one here, been a while since I opened one up. Hey. Ford F550 Super Duty Mini Pumper. Love this model myself. Someone was watching one of my other videos and happened to show this one. It was in a 10-pack. I'm pretty sure it was a multi-pack exclusive. So there's a better view. If that was you, go ahead and shout out down below if you were the one who I talked to a couple days ago about the that exclusive color. Looks really nice. But this red one, this fire one, looks excellent too. Red and white. Looks like it could be a real vehicle out there. I mean, with that graphic, you know, that's what I'm talking about. Now, let's see. Let's go ahead and take a look at the food truck. Now, when I first seen the food truck in the case, right, I'm looking at it like this. I forgot which way it was. But when it was facing me, you know, I thought it was another model. And at first glance, what do you think I might think it would be? I'm going to show you in a second. But in your mind, you can play along and think. Hey, pretty fun little car. Actually, I got to get into my Hot Wheels collection. They got, there's like a truck like this where it's open on the side. I think it's in the Hersheys. I think I have the Hersheys version. But anyways, the model that I thought was this vehicle here. Here we come. Yeah, at first glance, when I looked at it, I thought, hey, that's the Aqua truck. Haven't seen him in a while either. But I like it. I like it. Metal base, plastic body. It's got some play value. And especially with food in the USA. I don't know if you guys who are not in the USA, I don't know if you've heard or if you have the same phenomenon, but food trucks are kind of like a big deal nowadays around here. So we got these gourmet food trucks. So I think we'll be seeing a few colorations of that one. The Amphi Flyer. This one's kind of fun. Don't forget, I gotta get this guy, get the Hot Wheels version. Oh, why you gotta send me a text when I'm doing a video, man? I can't seal the packages or open them back up. That's a pretty fun model. It's nice, big, especially for a youngster. Nice fitting well in his hands. It does have the wheels on the bottom, but they're so small. They roll pretty good probably on the table, but this fabric's probably slowing it down. Kind of interesting. I like it. I won't get that many colors, but I do like it. Sorry, I can't find my Hershey's cars to show you the food truck. I'll just have to put a video here and so you can see what it looked like, but I can't. That's one thing I don't like about the nostalgia is the big blisters. I have a tough time storing them, and then I don't even know where I put the thing. Smokin grill, brand new casting, kind of neat, nice and big. It's got a metal base and metal body, but really there isn't a whole lot of metal in the body. It's got all these openings. They're kind of capitalizing right now in Southern California. I don't know about the rest of the states, but food trucks are kind of turning out to be a big phase right now. They have big competitions for food trucks. Maybe this TV show, I don't know. I don't watch a whole lot of TV anymore. But again, nice graphic presentation, natural fit. What's a wheelie bar? What? Smokin Wagon. It's got a wheelie bar on there. Cool. And this is why, because he's got a little drag racing seat in there. Got a roll bar, protect himself. Kind of hard to see what else is in there. Couple tanks of nitrous oxide, it looks like right there. But this is kind of neat because the plastic inside, that means they could release this and then make like a new tool for the plastic part and name it something else. Another nice addition to the Hot Wheels lineup. Let's go ahead and pick.
When I used to do Matchbox case unboxing videos, I would have some bonus content at the end. That's what you just watched. So I took that part off of Race Grooves and then gave it to you here on Mr. Grooves. As always, there's more information in the description below. Thank you for watching and happy collecting. Bye-bye.